Hello, fellow AI enthusiasts. I think we are getting pretty close to the release of Midjourney's version 8. At least, that's what all the rumours that have been circulating have been about. The current version has already been around for over 9 months, if my calculations are correct. We have had some amazing updates, like omni-reference, video, style exploration, and even style creator during all this time. But I guess I am ready for something new to come along. I'm guessing you are also getting a bit of sick of me just exploring styles. But it has been an interesting journey, so I thank everyone who has stuck around for that. This video is going to be quite simple. I've just got 50 completely random styles that I happen to like. Some of them discovered just on the style exploration page, some while messing around in the style creator, as the styles you could refine your created style with, and the remaining are the results of the style creator. Basically just in numerical order. By the way, I discovered that Midjourney has done some sneaky releases to the style creator without actually announcing them. We basically have the scrolling style creator now as the default one. But there is a new option to specify a style when you start to create your style. And basically, your initial image will already have an SREF code attached to it when you start off. And the styles you will initially see are closer to the style you specified. Without knowing the specifics of it, I think it's searching for whatever you type in, and maybe taking the first style match of what comes up with your search. But I could be wrong, and there might be a completely separate system to determine that. Either way, I've got 50 styles to show you without any additional context about the styles. All the prompts should be visible on the screen, along with the style codes that you would just need to add to your prompt. And if you would like them in a prompt PDF format, you can find that over on my Patreon or Ko-fi. The links are in the description if you are interested in checking it out. But now, let's look at the styles. So there you go. Some styles that stood out for me, and some that I created based on stuff I like right now. I hope you enjoyed these styles, so let me know in the comments which ones did you like, if you liked any of them. I always read the comments, and I may even reply to some of them if I'm not feeling particularly introverted at the time. I also apologise for the lack of consistency in posting videos lately. It's been a bit hectic lately in my personal life, with big life changes going on. I do hope to get back to the more regular schedule soon. Otherwise, you're just going to see my videos just pop up when they're ready, regardless of what day it is. But I do thank you so much for watching. I hope you found some cool styles you would like to try out yourself, and let's continue prompting.